Hi, US people. I am Chingiz together with you. Today, June 16, 2025. Yeah. O de go big war. Jewish Zionist elite. Rothschild and Co. Go to big war. This is their decision. And they not reverse this decision. By playing playbook, maneuver, but we witnessing they rushing. They rush to big war. By any way, any cost. They are not respect until we will stop them. And we can, because we much more powerful than they. Happening. We shall stop Israel. Israel authority of human animals. More than 20 months of live streaming genocide against Palestinians. More than 20,000 exterminated intentionally children and more. And now Iran. Same murders, same names, same position. 20 months more. Live stream genocide. And Western countries, so-called political establishment, fully justified that. Even part of them continue heavily arm Israel authority of human animals. When they're committing genocide, live streaming genocide. United States, Germany, Britain, mostly. Italy, etc. And then we can finally say France, too. All the action, people, satanic evil. Or Trump, Macron, Starmer, Mrazmers, or this Italy, Prime Minister, or others, Canada, all of them, again, finally, they try, when coming this genocide, to level, when they maybe think this too much, this already revealing their true face, and they don't want that, of course. Start blah blah about they should stop it, they are about humanitarian aid made and sanctions, blah blah. And conference of United Nations Conference on Palestine Recognition, Planning Recognition of Palestine State, where already 150 countries recognized Palestine as sovereign state. They blah blah, and now again, when Israel start aggressor by international law, very serious crime. by violation of United Nations Charter, international conventions, unprovoked attack against Iran, this act of aggression, targeted civilian areas, buildings, killing already coming to thousand civilians, among them children. Same picture what they did against Palestinians and the blah blah about Hamas. Same attack, same intention, same names. And this Murdar Prime Minister and the arrest warrant. Also, this nothing. Continue full impunity, green lighting Israel on this genocide. Try, last period of time, try cover behind humanitarian aid, and they demanding pressure Israel. They do that. And we know this GHF, Gaza Humanitarian Foundation, created by Trump, and look, their concrete figures. How many Palestinians they killed under this GHF? Hundreds. They come here, military aid, food, water, medicine, take. When Palestinians come in, fire. This scam, they use it. And their satanic, evil lies, propaganda, action, intention, all satanic, all very serious crimes. These crimes, genocide, violation of Genocide Convention. There's crimes against humanity, war crimes. Now Iran. Blah blah about Iranian nuke. Failing. Iran not have nuke. Israel have. Iran signed this NPT, Non-Proliferation Treaty. Israel, no. Israel have nuke, more than 100. They are different figures. And this position, this International Atomic Energy Agency and the United Nations, not even inspected Israel. Multiple times, very heavily inspection of Iran. No one's time, even serious investigation. And Israel even not on the list of countries which have nuke. Not there. They are already North Korea already. But Israel, this position, ideal position, avoid any inspection and pressure, and same time using this and for the satanic evil aim, targets. The Western countries is Murdars, Trump, Murdar von der Leyen, Murdar Starmer of Murdar, Queen Charles, and co. Mraz Murdar Macron, all they complicit. And this genocide, and now another one, big war. They try this genocide more than 20 months. Try not riot, they call it. Israel have for self-defense. Earth people, listen. Before your eyes, live stream. They exterminating Palestinians, annexing their land and calling this self-defense. Starving them too. Call this self-defense. And backed by this EU, United States, Britain, others, Canada. And same position by maybe different words, but same position. Against self-defense, Israel have right on this aggression against Iran, sovereign state Iran, because Iran try create a nuclear weapon. And this, if so, they will exterminate Israel. People, this official, they position, all of them, official position. Ask Trump, Macron, Starmer, Mraz Meyers, this von der Leyen, Murdar. We should spit on her face already. And others. Yes, Iran will. And think how they truly think. You, all of you morons, earth people, absolute majority that. Happening, live stream. Iran will exterminate own selves. And for that, they should attack Iran. Absurd, I'm talking about absurd. They position this. Israel have nuke people. Who will attack Israel and provoke it, and for Israel will use nuke and will. This means who attack it, they will by nuke stop it. There is no way. Exterminate it, etc. No way. There are other things, no way. Or any other country who have nuke. Attack this country in scale. You will exterminate it with country, full, can. Nuke. Think about that. Their logic. They argue. Who will do that? Iran will act suicidal for them. Why? What this means? How this absurd? But Iran treat, not only Iran, but Iran treat what they plan for annexation of region, particularly Palestine. Problem. This and only this. No other. And repeatedly, these morons, I reviewed that, therefore repeatedly saying that these Western countries' leaders, they intellectual level, that is. There are two things. One, they're thinking, and this is likely, you morons, they can lie to you, even using absurd, they argue, and you will eat that, allow that, Oh, they're so stupid, they even can't think. Well, as robot zombie. Huh? As robot zombie. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Self-defense, we stand with Israel, have right, and murders. Israel not have for that right. International law, norm, convention saying that. And even Iran will have nuke. This will imposition as other new countries have. Or Pakistan, India, for example, they also rivals have both nuke. How this called in English? They're stopping them go civil violation, and they are because no way. Iran have right, particularly in this reality, for secure own country and people have nuke, and any other country have right to. How this can be? They are equality among few. Several countries can have, but others no. If yes, attack, kill them, exterminate, there's genocide. Should be genocidal form too, because big war is big war. This should be ended, stopped. There's no way. There's no solution. Solution, I said, sign it agreement and comply, and will comply, and complying. Plus minus complying, stability. But I promise you, as people, when we will replace the satanic system which rule the world, they means Jewish Zionist elite who rule the world, when we will end Jewish Zionist rule of the world by preventing the big war. We will work together in our only way. And you will have technology. It's about universal unity. I exist, people. I exist. Take this truth. I exist or not. They try to downplay my existence. They try mostly was deny my existence. They failed. Now they allow my existence, but downplaying for them. A phenomenon. Such phenomenon they have, which not have. Where? Show me. Show to entire people. They lie satanic evil. And I promise, in 1 decade, when after we will replacing the system by our system, full transparent and secure, which will create permanent global peace, justice, dignity, equality. They are not your global south, global north. But this time, you will have technology, light speed technology. This technology. And this will give entire people ability, enable, by using this light speed technology, will give to entire people by me, by us people, by universal unity, equal. Same time to all nations. This will do impossible use of nuke or other mass destructive weapons. Means end of nuke, end of mass destructive weapon. My mission will do that. But today's reality is, we're not yet, and they're going to be war. On this day, big war, they any cause, by their propaganda, lies, what look, Iran can attack and destroy Israel. Murders. People have mind. You can't fool them. At least I not will give you this chance. But they anyway lying and doing, escalating this war with Iran, because their decision go bigger. What we can do? De-escalate. Okay? Hey, Trump, stop that. I already called Netanyahu to stop that. And Iran, of course, we will call them to stop this too. But who start, who aggressor, and who continue, even continue, escalate. I call them, Britain, stop that. And etc. De-escalation. Huh? They're not stopped. They're escalating. They now want regime change in Iran. Another bullshit. Iranian regime today not was even 2 years ago. 2-3 years ago, when there was together with me revolution. And after that, Iranian authority allow my demand and do very serious steps and go to moderate state. Not Iran, moderate state. There women can freely, with hijab or without hijab, on streets, or in the mall, on restaurant, cafe, everywhere across Iran. All cities, big cities, Tehran, Tabriz, Isfahan, they are names of cities. Look YouTube and go and watch these videos. Freely, on street, who wearing hijab, who not wearing, no problem. And should be that. Revolution was for that. And Iran authority allow that, because they think about future. So this blah blah about human rights, Iran already moderate state. There should be done more, of course, and will done. But they argue, all evil, satanic, all. They try to put back monarchy regime in Iran, which was truly Jewish Zionist murdar, as they themselves. And murdar is murdar. We should call that, because their action, their intention, their position, all fact check, transparently. Well, ask these murdars who back it, this Shah regime and the puppet now who married to Jewish businessman, woman, Pahlavi, murdar sandı, Mandaloshkas. They try to put them back. Think about that. For that they go war. There will genocide, there will mass killings. What this means, people. When we know who are they are not about people, they are about Shah regime and their interests. Britain, United States, Israel. We'll come to Israel puppet, and Israel who you're witnessing. Committing genocide, continuation of that. And they justify this Shah regime supporters and the Pahlavi Mandaloshka. Justify no, they are killings, no problem. Because they justify genocide, people. We all witnessing, eyewitnessing. In start position there was, they deserve, they stand with Israel. They are fighting terrorism. Hamas. Think about that. They won't put them back to power in Iran. For that they go big war. Huh? You will allow that? And this part of the big war. Again, they not will stop until we will stop them. They will go big war. Putin prepare in Ukraine, and not only Ukraine. Netanyahu, Trump, and now obviously Britain already part of that. Prepare in Iran case, using tactical nuke tool. Big war should be fuel. And what you will sit and see, watch. They are coming after you. Big war means big war. Extermination, 5 billion of you. I repeatedly talking about that. They of course try to deny that, downplay that, what I'm saying. But this truth, and you're witnessing, you're seeing who are they, live streaming genocide, full impunity they're doing that, destroying supremacists, the above all. You, all of you, human animals, goyim, and in their view, when they themselves, literally, human animals, how are they acting? Intentionally killing 10,000 children, and continuation of that, starving them, this entire people, now ethnic cleansing, using this destruction, after this no for distract, attack Iran, this very crucial part of the big war. But using this, same time, using this, and even increasing the attack against Palestinians in Gaza, in West Bank, in Eastern Jerusalem. Happening live stream. And Western countries, civilization, they're truly human animals, political establishment, they colonize them in 21st century. This should be matter. This should be matter. They view their ideology, they're above you. The imposition. Planet was very overpopulated, and you, all of you, in their view, goyim, human animals. They will exterminate 5 billion of you. Today, not too late, stop them. Tomorrow, will. They are rushing. United States go there, Look here, some figures. Thomas Massey, should the United States be giving Israel weapons to make war with Iran? Yes, 15%. No, 85%. This is American people position. How this political establishment reacting of United States? Look. What this is United States. And what these airplanes and how many? There was figure and the 24. All this air tanker. 24, even more. This marinated goose Trump. Pathetic attempt. Launch big war. For that reason, he in White House. It's unusual for back Israel for refuel the jets F-35 on air when they attacked Iran. No need such more. Absurd. This means they go there for big war. They go to Europe, to region, and their carrier carriers of United States to escalating. Look. Globe Eyes News. Breaking. 24 U.S. tanker aircraft are heading eastward from the United States to Europe, an unusually large number. And I said, why? And my reply, this they attack intervening here. What this they did, not me. This second intervention. Look, my reply. There go big war. We shall prevent big war. How? United for Peace resolution of United Nations General Assembly. We 170 with plus countries mean real world community, and we shall act as one team. Require it. And sanctions, embargo, boycott Israel, United States and any other ally who decided to be part of that. Big war means. Suspend Israel from United Nations, I say. And the second part. On the United Nations flag, United for Peace resolution, we shall create force, require it, to stop Israeli genocide against Palestinian people. Sanctions, embargo, boycott, and force combine. Sanctions, embargo, boycott, and force combine will work, and we will succeed to prevent big war. Otherwise, not will work. Emergency sessions or 79th session of General Assembly. I say together. The United Nations flag. This means our action. Immediate action without delay. In my reply to this Trump attempt escalate big war, and urge people, if you will fail in this time, later will too late. More than 170 countries. There are Japan, China too, and other countries. Japan condemned this aggressive action from Israel against Iran. Japan condemned them. Japan G7 member. But others fully back it. Try to justify aggressor. Try to continue do anything for keep Israel impune on their genocide and aggression. How about China and others? Big war will fail, and this will come to you, obviously, to your border, into your country, can. When particularly they will launch biological weapons. You're armless, all of you are armless. You think now you can, but there are no way if more than 170 countries not will act as one team. There are no way, no matter which country, they can survive or protect their country. No way. So no waste time, people. Emergency sessions of General Assembly and act. Mandatory action. By name it, as I repeated talking. Sanctions, embargo, boycott Israel, and create force. We should stop Israel in Gaza, Palestine. And also, we should stand with Iran. Iran under attack. Iran not have a right for self-defense. Iran, if retaliated, what? This Iran. And this Hamas. This Iran. About Hamas. What about starting from 1948? We're not justifying again October 7, and never will. They also arrest warrant against who did that. They should already kill it. But I'm talking about genocide, and they satanic evil propaganda and argue, all lie, satanic, evil lie, all lie. They created in Gaza. ISIS link it. There already years there was info. I also several times told you about that. ISIS created by United States and Israel, Mossad, and now you're witnessing that. Your Al-Shabaab gang group, they use it by Israel. Additional, there's starvation there. they truly satanic bullshit humanitarian foundation. Huh? They're giving under fire some food, and this gang even stolen, taken back from Palestinians this food. Try, yes. Hell, creating genocide, addition using these gangs. All illegal, all very serious crime. I'm talking about ISIS, which recognized by entire world almost as terrorists. And now proven, this terrorist org, backed, financed, armed by Israel and United States, secretly was, and now come to public. And Iran have right for retaliation and retaliating, attacking Israel, refinery Israel, this research center which Israel did against Iran. Israel attacked gas field of Iran, attacked research scientists, nuclear science. Iran doing same, try to. Mostly Iran attacked such places. By Israel, mostly attacked residential buildings. This truth. What in Gaza, what Israel? Same names there. Netanyahu, Cabinet of Human Animals. Katz, Matz, Motrich, Ben-Gvir. Huh? Iran tried, but Israel flew. They already nearly 1,000 they killed, coming to this figure. Iranian civilians, and their last figure, I don't know, maybe 30, 35. They're nearly 1,000. There 600 was yesterday, or before yesterday. And they are 30, 35. But anyway, ask all this Western civilization, murdars, leadership. Or will say, Israel attacked military bases, but Iran attacked civilians. Again, satanic, evil, lie. Also another lie. Iran treat to United Kingdom, London, have rockets, ICMB, or how this call it, and can attack London. Blatant lie. Iran have ballistic rocket, yes, but the 2,000 kilometers. London in 6,000 kilometers away from Iran. 6,000 kilometers. Iran have 2,000 kilometers long range rocket. Why they lying? For full own people. This treat, for justify, they continue arm Israel. They are military programs. All secretly. Is Israel, Britain, Israel. Herzog, for example, he was in for additional military ally. And Israel this. And Britain how present themselves into a world. Democracy, civilization, when purely Satan, part of Rothschild and Co. And they fed people. I saying you that. And that's true, truth. They fed to Satan. And they acting accordingly. They final mask from their face, drop it. And people be much more powerful than they. And they anyway will go big war, anyway. The escalation, stop that, not work, not will work, not will. Not will. They're using even this the escalation and continue to justify Israel attack. Continue to accuse Iran. At the same time calling for the escalation. All their actions, satanic evil. Tactic, all. So obvious. The escalation I call, serious I call. Stop that. Your people, Murdar Trump, say no. But you acting opposite of your people wish. Stop that. Same about Britain. Your people, absolute majority, against aiding, abetting, supporting Israel on their genocide and on this aggression act against Iran. Stop that, Starmer. Same about EU, same about Germany. They will. In France too, they will. Asarat, if you support Israel attacking Iran, destroying civilian infrastructure and killing civilians, you don't care about human rights in Iran. Of course this. If you support Israel genocide and atrocities against Palestinians, you don't care about human rights at all. Of course this. But they blah about human rights. It's not so complicated to understand that. Very correctly. That's all right. Or this one. This one. This is Barry Johnson, look, and they are no different. They are Queen Elizabeth was, now Queen Charles. No matter who Prime Minister. I serious and this correct. They are fake constitution, Britain. On constitution, monarchy family, only ceremonial have rule. But literally, truly, fully controlled and ruled. Liquid document revealed Britain developed a secret military agreement with Israel named Project Hezuk, aimed at countering Iran. The British public urgently need to know whether this plan is still active. Matt Kennard, Are you okay with this? You shouldn't be, he asked British people. What this means, I should try to show. Former British minister, quote, the Israelis think they control the foreign office, and they do. The recently published diaries of former Foreign Minister Sir Alan Duncan provide an unprecedented window into the influence the Israeli government and affiliated pro-Israel lobby groups have over the UK Foreign Office. This man, former Foreign Minister, Duncan. Natalie and the level of Orwellian confusion in Europe over Israel's attack on Iran is staggering. It's so sad to see the total inability of European leaders to think with their own heads, rather than act as derivatives of the US in the Middle East. Here also important from Assal. I will read that. Yeah. Assal wrote, for 20 months, I have seen Israel carry out the worst horrors and heard people defend it with FAFO, F-A-F-O, brazen genocidal language, coupled with actual genocidal atrocities and the total destruction of Gaza. The gaslighting from official Israeli accounts over the last 48 hours is mind-blowing. It's like they live on a different planet or think that the rest of us do. While continuing its genocide against Palestinians, Israel launched an unprovoked attack on Iran to sabotage talks with the US, killed civilians, destroying residential buildings, and assassinated scientists, all in the violation of international law. Seeing their ridiculous attempt to turn all of this around into self-defense, they also call genocide self-defense. Really makes you feel like you are going crazy. But of course, that's the point of gaslighting, said Asarad. Amen. Israel is acting like a state that believes it can do whatever it wants with impunity because it's confident in the support of the West, and crucially, a state that can say whatever it wants with impunity because it's confident in its hold on Western media. Despicable. Francesca. On the day Israel, Francesca Albani, on the day Israel unprovoked has attacked Iran, killing 80 people, the president of a major European power finally admits that in the Middle East, Israel and only Israel has the right to defend itself. She reacting to French President Emmanuel Macron, flagrant, blatant, blah blah. Here, good video, people. This, I think. Good video. Fuck Israel. We should stop Israel. Global March to Gaza, tweeting. Distribution points or death traps. At least 620 Palestinians have been killed or injured at Israeli-run aid centers, while northern Gaza is left to starve. At the same time, proxy gangs operating on Israel's behalf loot aid convoys and terrorize civilians. Myth. Sorry. Myth. Israel allows aid into Gaza through its aid distribution mechanism. These myths. Fact. At least 620 Palestinians have been killed or injured near aid distribution centers set up by Israeli exclusively in central and southern Gaza, while the north remain cut off. Israel employs armed gangs to disrupt aid, sow chaos, and maintain control. And this one. And BT7. Also important from BT7, saying how this country having genocide against Palestinians and same time Israel attacking Iran, very act of aggression and targeted civilians. It's about that. About March to Gaza. About March to Gaza was stopped by Egypt authority. The grandson of Mandela there was a video was, he said on this video, the passport confiscated and they stopped it, and we know later even Israel authority using the military forces against them for stop them, for deport them. This is about what in Egypt, who they in authority. Obviously, Zionist authority. Put there by Zionist regime of world system means Rothschild and Co. by schemes. Actually, Netanyahu was actively behind this coup, what happened in Egypt in time, and putting in power al-Sisi. And Egypt acting accordingly. Israel, this Mariam Bagruti, good tweet, reading important. Israel has constantly bombed hospitals, schools, towns, and villages under the claim that Palestinian fighters launch rockets from between civilians. Last night, Israel affirmed and confirmed to the world that they operate their military bases, defense missiles, and weaponry from the middle of their cities and towns. When they themselves doing that. These last 2 years, it became clear and evident that Israeli hospitals are full of armed military personnel and armed Israelis in general. It became clear that Israeli schools, universities are full of youths holding M16s, machine gun, and attending classes like it's normal. Israel is a regime of mad people who recognize their reality, and what they do is try to project it and convince the world that it's over the other that at fault. And so they will say it is Iran's alleged nuclear program that a threat when in fact Israel not only has nuclear weapons but has a Samson protocol where Israel explicitly threatens to nuke itself and the world if anyone tries to stop it. Listen, Samson protocol. Remember that, how they Satan evil. And Iran treat them. How they morons people, how they murders. Iran treat today plan and next take land, Palestinian land and others. Doing problem for that. Then Israel will say Palestinians use human shields, when in fact Palestinians have no army and are a civilian population fighting back a nuclear state, and it's actually Israel that intentionally puts Jewish settler families on stolen land so they can claim victimhood when Palestinians try to fight back this warmonger. This warmongering regime. If you are not careful in your information gathering, you will believe the abuser and join them. Be cautious, be brave, and dare to not only learn, but unlearn what official media parrots to you in press release and military statements. Sorry. Be brave enough to reclaim your voice in the world. Finishing her tweet, Mariam Babruti. This is what Zionists think of Americans. And that's true. The true position about Zionists, about American people. John Podhoretz, Mandaloshka. No one asked you, you piece of shit, saying, replying to Jedediah Bila, American. Hey Israel, I am not interested in a war with Iran. I am also not sending my kid to fight in it. The end. And this Murdar Podhoretz, human animal. Podhoretz replay already said. Right. Here are the fact about how Israeli people Okay, first about this video.
Rema Abdul. Innocence stolen by Israel. Among more than 80,000, but truly among more than 20,000, even seriously more than 20,000. Children killed as the world watches in silence. One of the most horrifying atrocities of our time, a modern day Holocaust unfolding in plain sight. And together I invite you to watch this video.
Dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep.
These killed children,
In dreams,
exterminated by Netanyahu,
lose your heartache.
Trump, Biden,
Whatever you wish
Macron,
for,
Starmer, Johnson,
have faith in
Scholz,
dreams,
Merz,
and someday
Ursula von der Leyen,
your rainbow will come smiling through. No matter how your heart is grieving, if you keep on believing, the dream that you wish will come true.
real Ken. Okay. Iranians also never ran Epstein-style blackmail operations against American officials. Iranians never assassinated a sitting United States president. Both did it by Jewish, Zionist elite. Rothschild & Co. and Israel was part of that. And I continue it. J. Go, replaying. Iran didn't attack the USS Liberty. Israel did. Iranians didn't steal highly enriched uranium in the Numek affair. Israel did. Iranians didn't take down the Twin Towers. Rothschild & Co. did, and Israel was part of that. Iranians didn't lobby American politicians to support mass immigration. Israel did. Iranians didn't push transgenderism on our children. Israel and Rothschild & Co. did. They faced their lifestyle. Okay. And that's true. Israel many times attacked America. Israel too, behind 9/11.
Israel behind assassination of Kennedy brothers, and. Who impune? When they attacked America, also was fully impune. And this because Rothschild and Co., who fully controlled political establishment of the United States of America. Fact check. Okay. What people? We have this reality, what I talking about, this happening in real time, live stream. They decided to go big war. In big war, they're planning to exterminate 5 billion of you. On start position of big war, they're planning to use nuke, tactical nuke. But in big war process, when they are already, big war will occur fully, they will launch biological weapons and will exterminate 5 billion of you. Today, not too late, we can stop them, prevent the big war. How? I repeat it talking. On the United Nations flag, we should act lawfully, legally. And all laws, international law, on our side. On the United Nations flag, using Uniting for Peace resolution of United Nations General Assembly, which given to us power, act separately from Security Council, which fully paralyzed by United States. And more than 170 countries, we act as one team, mandatory, from sanctions, embargo, boycott of Israel, and suspend Israel from United Nations. And also sanctions, embargo, boycott United States and any ally who part of this big war, Britain or others. Not afraid. We will prevent by creating force on the United Nations flag. We should move blockade siege of Gaza from seaside, Mediterranean seaside to the Malaysian initiative. There are 1,000 ships, should be. This initiative, this should be, but on the United Nations flag, by creating force, we should do that. We're not planning to attack Israel land. We're planning protect Palestinians into their land. We shall do that. We should break the blockade and do possible full humanitarian aid under our control and remove from there Israel militaries, which will happen if we will combine, use all of that. Sanctions, embargo, boycott, and use force. In this forum, as I talking. We'll work, we will succeed. By stopping Israel, we will prevent the big war. Putting waiting them. The big war action. and Putin planning to use nuke as Netanyahu planning to use, not Trump planning to use. And they're rushing, as we're witnessing. I said this autumn and no later than in first half of next year. But we're seeing they already try to do that now, in coming couple of weeks maybe, maximum 1 month. Means before autumn. And what big war means big war. And you're armless before day, big war. Act today. Together we can. Act as one team. This requires it. And we will succeed. No doubt. We're much more powerful than they. I say, today these earth people, I am Chinggis together with you.